Example 2. An electron in hydrogen atom first jumps from second excited state to first excited state, and then from first excited state to ground state. Let the ratio of wavelength, momentum and energy of photon emitted in these two cases be A, B and C respectively. Then which is incorrect relation? So an electron make a transition from second excited state to first excited state and then first to ground. Here wavelength, momentum and energy are given A, B, C respectively. We need to know which is the correct relation. So first let us see the wavelength. So second excited state to first excited state. So we know 1 by lambda 1 is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So what we can write, 1 by lambda 1 is equal to R into 1 by n1 is 3, n1 is 2, n2 is 3. So what we get, 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. So by simplifying it, what we get is lambda 1 will be 36 by 5R. That will be 1. And let us do from 2 to 3. So that means n2 is 2, n1 is 1. From first excited state to ground state. So what we get, 1 by lambda 2 is equal to R into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. By simplifying lambda 2, we get it as 4 by 3R. Therefore, let us do the ratio. So ratio is lambda 1 by lambda 2 will be 36 by 5R by 4 by 3R. So what we can write, lambda 1 by lambda 2 will be equal to 36 by 5R into 3R by 4. RR get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 nines are. So lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to 9 3s are 27 by 5. So lambda 1 by lambda 2 we got it as 27 by 5. So which is equal to A. So A is equal to 27 by 5. So option B is wrong. Okay, let us look about the momentum case as well. So the second one is momentum. We know that momentum in the first case is equal to h by lambda 1. So what we get, since lambda 1 is nothing but 36 by 5R, so what we get, 5RH by 36. That would be equation 3. And what about the second momentum? In the second case, h by lambda 2. We know lambda 2 is 4 by 3R. So what we get, 3RH by 4. Now let us do the ratio. What we get, B is equal to P1 by P2, which is nothing but 5RH by 36 into 4 by 3RH. RH get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 nines are. So B will be 5 by 27. So option B is correct. But option, that means B is equal to 5 by 27 is correct, but A is equal to 27 by 5 is wrong. And we also need to calculate the energy. So third one, energy, we know difference of energy is equal to energy in the higher level minus energy in the ground level. So energy in the second orbit to energy in the first orbit. So what we can write? We know that energy in nth orbit is equal to energy in the ground state times z square by n square. Here, since we are talking about hydrogen atom, z value is 1. So what I can write? E1 by n square value, it is n1 square. So what I can write? Here it is 2 square minus E1 by 3 square. By simplifying it, we will get it as 5E1 by 36. So this is the first case, from second orbit to first orbit. What about first orbit to ground orbit? Then the change in energy. First orbit to ground. So what we get? E1 by 1 square minus E1 by 2 square. By simplifying, what we get? 3E1 by 4. So let us do the ratio between them. So what we get? C. C is equal to delta E1 by delta E2. So what we get? 5E1 by 36 times 4 by 3E1. E1 get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 nines are. So we get 5 by 27. So the energy ratio also we got 5 by 27. So option B is the wrong one and rest of all options are correct.